Welcome to this YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a mail using Gmail. So right here, I've composed my email here, and this is my email address which I want to send the email to. This is my subject, and this is my email that I've composed, and I want to schedule this email. Shadowing is in an email is all about saying, I don't want it to send it right now. I want to send it this email in future for particular reasons. For example, I may want to send happy birthday in advance because on that date I'll be so busy. So let's see how we can go about this. What we have to do, we have to go under this button, this blue button here, and you see schedule email with them. Once you click on it, this schedule email comes on and it brings up this little dialog here, which gives you open times within which you can schedule your email. It gives you 3 options here, but if these are not adequate for you, you can click on the icon down here. You can pick, brings a calendar, so you can move ahead and say, I'm scheduling this email in 2020, but I want it to go on the 6th of April 2023, and I can type here and change the time accordingly. Once you've done that, the next thing is quite simple. You just click on schedule email. The moment you do that, you will see here it shows under scheduled email number 1, shows 1 email there, meaning that there's 1 email that has been scheduled. So when you click there, you can access the email that has been scheduled. In case you schedule an email and later on you recall that I've forgotten something important, I need to come back to this email, you can come here and you click on it again. Or in case you make a decision and say, no, I'm no longer interested in this email, I can delete it. You can delete it over right here. So this, in simple ways, this is the way how you can schedule an email. It is quite easy. Please try it for the next email. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to see more videos like this one.